You're a late night owl.
Then continue to sleep if I don't have any activity.
Because I still have to understand the material first.
Yeah?
Shout out to the last minute.
Okay.
Shout out to the last minute person.
I'm not alone.
Hi, I'm Talia.
Hey, I'm Andra, and we are mentors from
All In.
Hi everyone, my name is Christian and I'm one of the All-In's mentor.
Hi, my name is Stefanus. I'm also one of the mentor in All In EduSpace.
And today we're gonna do a game called This or That.
So we have to summon the ball.
Yeah.
Dun, dun,
Okay.
dun.
Ta-da!
All right. This is the
Okay,
question.
these are questions, so we don't know the questions. Let's find out.
Morning person or late night owl?
I am.
Wait. I'm gonna guess. I'm gonna guess you.
Okay,
I'm
guess,
gonna
guess.
You're a late night owl.
Yes. I don't know, because I don't know what's late night. Like
Oh.
12, 3 a.m.
Because
Because I'm maybe like a 12 a.m. kind of person.
Yeah.
I can't, if I sleep past 12, I'm like
dead.
dead.
The next morning.
The next morning.
Oh, okay. I'm a late night owl. So yeah, I 3 a.m. kind
Oh.
of person.
Okay.
Okay. And I don't
Awesome.
function well in the morning.
Yeah, me neither.
I would say I'm more of a morning person. I actually have like this clock work kind of situation, like I just wake up around 6 to 7 a.m. I think. So yeah, I'm generally a morning person.
I kind of confused how to answer because I am a late night owl because I sleep mostly around 11 or 12 if it is not, there is not too many activity, but also I need to wake up at least 5 o'clock then continue to sleep if I don't have any activity, but I always wake up in the morning.
Okay.
Okay, do you prefer to study with a group or alone?
I usually like to study alone first because I need to understand the material, and then once I have some kind of understanding, I usually study with my friends because I like to teach them as well, because I want to, get better understanding by teaching it to my friends.
Generally, me too. I like to study alone, but it depends on the subject. If the subject is something that I don't like, of course I want to study with my friends because I need help. But if the subject is things that I like, alone.
Me with a group.
You love people.
You love people. That's
We
right.
love people. Me too,
I like
actually.
hanging out with people, and I
Yeah.
think it's better if you can, communicate your ideas
Yeah.
together, and you get more ideas with
Yeah.
more brains.
More brains, more knowledge.
Exactly.
Ooh.
Online class or offline class?
Can I guess?
Okay.
Offline.
Yeah. What about you?
Offline.
Yeah. Okay.
Because we work better with people and
Yes.
we talk. It's better to talk to people like in person for
Yes.
me. But maybe sometimes if you like wanna like doze off. But I like offline because I study better with people.
Yeah, and all of the engagement, I see the body language, you can see the full person, and it's better when you're interacting with people.
Yeah.
Of course, it is offline because the feelings, the interaction is very different. So yeah, 100% offline.
Yeah.
Steph?
I also agree. Offline class is much more engaging and stimulating because you have the chance to discuss it with your friends, and also, you can get opinion as well. So definitely offline class.
Learning by doing or learning before doing.
Well, I usually would do learning before doing because I still have to understand the material first, but in order for me to catch up with the materials, I will definitely need to do learning by doing later.
Learning by doing is best for me, but I do understand sometimes when you learn something you cannot just do it because there are risks, or maybe there are tools or needs some preparation to do something. So yeah, but in short, I love learning by doing.
Can I say both?
Yeah.
Can I say? Because it's so hard when I don't learn something before I do it, but then you have to try, right?
Yeah,
Like,
exactly.
And fail.
Exactly. Like you gotta have prior knowledge,
Right.
and then you apply it, and then you try, and then that works, that doesn't,
That doesn't work, right?
and then it becomes your knowledge.
Study a large amount of material at once or part by part.
To be really honest, I'm a last minute person. So
Last
normally,
minute person.
Last minute
Yes.
person. Yeah.
Shout out to the last minute.
Okay.
Shout out to the last minute person.
I'm not alone. But so normally I will just study everything all at once.
Yeah,
Yeah.
me too.
Yeah.
Did you get it good?
Great. You know why I keep on doing it? Because
Why?
I get good grades. Right?
So, not saying this is the best
Oh,
method
no.
for everyone, but
Yeah.
it works for her.
Yeah. What about you?
Sort of.
I think I will go with part by part because I kind of person that really needs to dig deeper before I say I understand something. So if I study all at once, it will make me confused sometimes.
Yeah, I do agree that part by part is better because I mean it's actually scientifically validated that you have to study part by part.
Okay, that's all for this or that this session. Can you relate to us?
Yeah.
So don't forget to
Like, share, and subscribe.
subscribe.
And we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye bye.